Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today I am unboxing GTX GeForce 1060. So this is the gaming edition. So I'm opening it now from here. So they have multiple boxes. So there's a box inside box. So here is the main box. So I'm opening it now. And here how you receive it. It's again securely packed. So let's see the contents inside first. So this is one guideline which contains attention and power virus application may cause abnormal voltage, so that is some kind of warning. And this is a warranty disclaimer, so how to install it and what caused the warranty to void. So here is the card. I'm removing the protection now. So just open it. Here is the card. Oh, they might have tested it before shipping. That's okay. So the card is right here, and looks niche. So you can see it comes with aluminum heatsink with pipes, and so I will install it and I will create another video for installation. So thank you once again for watching our video, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.